Welcome to Earlier Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to install Pivot Animator virus-free. First, you're going to have to go to Chrome or any browser you use. Type in Pivot Animator. Click on first option, Pivot Animator. Go to Download. Click Download Pivot Animator 4. This will be the latest version of Pivot Animator. As you click on it, it'll start to install. When it's finished installing, you can open it. Once it's opened, you're going to click Next. Then you're going to click Accept. And then it's important for you to click Decline, because this will set your browser to Yahoo. It'll begin installing. Once it's done installing, click Finish. It is very important to click Decline, otherwise it'll install a virus. And then click Close. And then Pivot Animator will begin opening. That is how to install Pivot Animator virus-free. Please subscribe, and like, and share the video. Thanks for watching.